Welcome back to Termination X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And we're doing a Birchbox versus Ipsy. They came the same day, so yay.
For her.
Really quickly though, with my BoxyCharm I got, I was mentioning I wanted to try this Sol de Janeiro product, Coco Cabana cream. And let me just say, like, I don't know if I have sensitive skin, but this stuff made my skin like catch fire. Like my skin was like stinging, burning. And like I had my son, my 20-year-old, look up like the different ingredients. I think the very first one listed after the water is like something that's like an irritant. And so like it just kind of gave me like hives and everything. So just be warned. I don't know, maybe it'll be okay on my hands, but definitely like using it on my legs was not the best of ideas. Just gonna say that. Okay, time for the fun part now.
We're gonna see which one's better this month, Birchbox or Ipsy. We're hoping, well, I'm hoping a Valentine's Day theme. My Ipsy hasn't come yet, so
okay, so for Birchbox is at least
never on time for me.
Little hearts, I think.
What does it say? Magic something?
Magic inside. Magic inside on the back. That's what it says. And did it say anything?
Does
it usually say something?
It said cheers, Kim. I read it. I peeked at the outside.
Where?
Cheers.
Oh,
cheers, Kim.
Okay, so it said cheers. Cool. Okay, so opening this up. Let's see.
You can have
usually I skip over the cards, but it's on top, so I can't. Congrats on your 100th box. You're the best. Oh, they just have little, we're spreading the love, just little comments from their customers, I'm guessing. If I can hold that. I've been dropping things all day, so. And then, of course, on the back, it probably lists what's going to be in the box. Okay. So, pulling out the first thing. MAC lip gloss. Can't even see. Does it say what color?
At least it's a good brand. I mean, but I don't like lip glosses and stuff.
Do you think that'd be like darker if I tried it on than what I'm wearing? Probably. Should I take it out? It's like so. I don't know how to like. I don't want to swatch it exactly. We're gonna be going somewhere in a little bit, so I'm like, don't want to get stuff all over my hand, but I don't know how to show them through the package.
Then we're actually gonna probably put this video up between our videos where we weren't wearing makeup. So if you see us looking different and then going back to looking normal.
Okay, so the color is Oh Baby. It's a really like brown looking,
like goldish brown.
Yeah, like gold brown looking color. It is, or is it an eye thing? Isn't it? It's for lips, right?
I'm like, it says lips.
I'm like, here, I'll just give that to you to mess with while I go to the next thing. That could take me forever. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream Gel, 24-hour double hydration cream gel. Is it brand Comfort Zone? Let's see. Oh, yeah, I guess. I don't know. There's that little tiny thing. Hopefully you can see it.
It is small, but
oh, these are gonna be small probably. Marcel's Lash Definition and Expansion Mascara.
And I'm not wearing any mascara, so I was like, I could try that on, but I'm not going to. I have mascara in my pocket.
Glove Original Quick Treat Fast Makeup Correction Tip. Just add water.
I think those are the ones I don't like. I mean, not that brand particularly, but just the little washcloth thing. I'm like, I've got washcloths. Like,
I know, that's pretty big. Is this for like, try to repeat, well, it's like reuse. I don't know. Anyway.
I've had ones like that, but.
And then,
so tiny.
Daily Correct CC Cream, Light Medium Super Goop.
That's my second favorite one.
Yeah, me and my sister both use. I think I started with Juice Beauty, and then she said she uses this, so then I bought that, and then I bought It Cosmetics.
And then we have Clinique's Almost Foundation, which is really good.
There's that.
In my opinion.
I guess I'll put it over here, and then
on to Ipsy.
You can keep track of what's better than what. On to Ipsy. Okay. See, now I look in the bag because I'm so used to there being something outside. Anything else? Oh my gosh. I saw this like outside the thing, but this was also outside of it. So it says this month express your unique beauty with, and it shows you the products. And on the other side, if you already saw that, it says swoon so hard. There's lots to love this month.
Yay, at least it's themed.
Okay, so I guess just the same thing. So this is super cute. Aww.
That is, I like it.
That is cute. Okay. Well, I guess I'll start with the brush since it's outside the box,
like
right?
A flower. Did they do this on purpose?
Is it a 50F as in Frank?
Doesn't it look like a rose?
I know.
It's pretty.
And then is it Farrah? Is that what it says? Farrah brush. So that's cute. Cute. Okay.
Thank you.
And then, so I'm guessing there'll be 4 more things in here, right? And then Laritzi. As I said, Laritzi Cosmetics lip gloss.
What is up with all the lip glosses?
Curve. I don't know what color that is. I almost want to take it out and look at it. How? Should I?
You
I don't
can.
know. I don't know, depending on like what color they are, I'd want to like give them away depending on. So I mean, do you think that's too damaged to give away? Like.
No, if you don't open
Okay,
it
yeah.
any further, we might
Yeah, I'm not gonna open it any further.
put in our giveaway. Because I got a lot of pretty glosses. It's a pretty gloss, but it's just how many
But,
can you
yeah.
take or use or you
That's
know.
what I'm saying. So I did open the box, but I did not open the gloss itself. Oh, sorry.
Got it.
Gotcha, but I'll drop it like I always
Got
do.
it.
Mark Anthony True Professional Strengthening Grow Long Anti-Breakage Mask. Strengthen and protect with caffeine and ginseng.
It's a good size. I thought for your hair maybe.
I
I'll
know, and I actually
like,
bought some of these products. Like I could literally get up and go grab them and show you as proof. Should I? No.
Girl, we're trying to go somewhere.
I know.
I still have to eat dinner.
But I have like their shampoo, their conditioner, I think, and then like a leave-in conditioner plus some other deep conditioner or something. Feel renewed pumpkin walnut facial cleanser, deep skin treatment, gentle exfoliation.
That
Is it
sounds
called
good. Like I like
Feel?
that as
Is that
pumpkin.
how-
That's cool.
Okay.
Even though I don't like to exfoliate as much as you, but it still sounded cool.
And then the last thing I think is no pore plum. Didn't I get this from something? Because I remember having a hard time saying it.
I don't know. That sounds new to me.
No pore plum priming water. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I'm tripping. Bulgarian toning water and essential oil, touch and soul. But I guess it's a primer, right? Primer. I think.
I know. How many primers can you have? But I think overall good items though, especially because it's kind of a little bit of
Which
everything.
one do you guys think was better?
I know. Which box for around $11 for $10.88? Is that what it is now? $10.88, I think.
I don't
Something
know.
like that. What'd you guys get? They always give you like brushes. I noticed. I don't say blushes. Brushes. They don't tend to give me them that much, but maybe because on my profile I don't have that. But if this video was quick enough, considering we did 2 boxes, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're going to do another one at 200 subscribers and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.